नमस्कार सर।
नमस्ते अनुराधा जी, कैसे हो आप?
सर आप कैसे हैं?
मैं तो अच्छा हूँ. You guys can turn your videos on, and so we can begin the class. Sit down on your mat. Gently close your eyes. Namaste Megda, how are you, Megda ji?
Namaste, hello.
Hello. Sit in any comfortable position. Keep your neck and head and back in one line. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. I will start our today's class by chanting one time of Om. Take a deep inhale. Om. Bring both palms together in front of our center. Rub both palms. Apply the face, apply your eyes, apply your whole body. And gently bow down your head towards God. And ask God to give us strength for today's class. While blinking, just open your eyes. Now, come for the tabletop position. Come for the tabletop position on your mat. Now we will start with cow and cat pose. Inhale, look up, roll your shoulders, and make a curve on your spine. And while exhalation, look down and make a hump on your back. Again, inhale, look up, contract your shoulder blades, and exhale, look down, contract your shoulder blades. Inhale and exhale. And neutralize your spine. Now make a wave through your spine while inhaling. Go front, lean, exhaling, come back. You have to make a wave from your spine. Inhale, go front, lean, and exhale. While coming back, you should make a wave. Inhale again, go front, while make a hump on the back. Exhale while coming back. Now make a side wave. Come in between first and then make side wave from your spine. Like a snake. Just move the spine as much as you can. Now from here, just walk front with your hands and try to touch your chest on the mat. Straight your arms front. Keep your hips up. Don't sit back. Now here, from here, just walk towards the left side. Go towards the left side. Yes, like this. Inhale again, come front. And exhale, go to the right side. Inhale again, come front. Exhale, go to the left side. Keep your hips above your knees. Do not sit back. Again, inhale, front. And exhale, right side. Inhale again, front. Stay in front. Now press your palms, lift your Knees up from the floor, tuck your toes and come for the downward facing dog. Now slowly walk front and stand into Samasthiti. In front of your mat. And today we will do Hatasana salutation. Ekam, inhale and exhale, join your both palms together in front of your heart center. For Pranamasana. Though inhale, raise your both arms up and slightly back bend. For Hastattanasana. Go back bend with your thoracic. Training, exhale, go fully forward down. For Padastasana, grab your ankle, touch your belly on your thighs. Now 3D, 3, take your right leg back. For Aswa Sanchalana. Take your right leg back. For Aswa Sanchalana. 4, take your left leg again back for the mountain pose, Parvatasana. Just try to roll your shoulders in and touch your chest on your floor or on your mat if you can. Now bend your knee, chest and chin on the floor for Ashtanga Namaskar. See, look from mountain. Today we are doing Hatha sun salutation. This is not Ashtanga. So you have to keep your both feet together while doing mountain pose and you have to look down to the mat. And then bend your knee, then a chest and chin, make a curve on your spine. Okay, inhale, swing yourself up for Bhujangasana. Keep your elbows bend slightly, don't straighten your elbows. Keep your elbows slightly bent towards closer to your chest. Exhale again, touch your toes and go for mountain pose, Parvatasana. Now bring your left leg front for Aswa Sanchalana. In Ashtanga, in Hatha sun salutation, we don't lift our leg up. We directly bring our left leg front. Aswa Sanchalana. No, Mehtaji, not this. This is Aswa Sanchalan. Yeah. Keep your both palms beside of your left feet. Inhale, lift your chest up and look up towards the ceiling. Exhale, bring your right leg front for Padastasana. Inhale, all the way come up for Hastuttanasana, slightly back bend. And exhale, Pranam. Again, inhale, raise your both arms up from there. Exhale, bend forward down. Now take your left leg back. Inhale. Exhale, go for the mountain pose, Parvatasana. Now bend your knee, chest and chin on the floor. Aswa Sanchal, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, swing up for Bhujangasana. Cobra pose, Netaji, Cobra pose. Exhale, again mountain pose. Feet together. Do not keep distance between your feet in Hatha sun salutation. Now bring your right foot front again for Aswa Sanchalana. Horse riding pose. Bring your left leg front for Padastasana. Inhale, all the way come up again for Hastuttanasana and exhale, Pranam. Now second round, again inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, Padastasana, go fully forward down. Take your right leg back for Aswa Sanchalana. Left leg back For mountain, in Ashtanga, you have to drop your knee. Back knee you should drop on the floor. Now bend your knee, chest and chin on the floor for Ashtanga Namaskar. Megdaji, in Ashtanga Namaskar, you have to keep your both palms beside of your chest. Not like this. This is wrong. Look here. This is wrong. You have to keep your, do not move your palms. If you are kept in mountain pose, from there, drop your knee, then chest, and then your chin. Your elbow should be upper than your wrist. Your elbow should be up of your wrist. And then from here, inhale, swing up, Bhujangasana. Exhale again, mountain. Bring your left leg front again. Right leg front. Inhale all the way, come up for Astuttanasana, slightly back bend from a thoracic. And exhale, Pranam. Inhale again, raise your both arms up for Astuttanasana. Exhale, bend forward down for Padastasana. Now take your left leg back for Asya Sanchalana. Drop your knee down, very good. Now take your right leg back for Parvatasana, mountain pose. In mountain pose, you have to not press your thoracic towards your thighs, but you have to press your thoracic towards the floor. Niche, you have to press down your thoracic. Bend your knee, chest and chin on the floor. Inhale, swing up for Bhujangasana. Exhale again, mountain pose. Inhale, take your right leg front. Exhale, left leg front. Inhale all the way, come up. And exhale, Pranam or Namaste. Again, inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, bend down. Take your right leg back for Asya Sanchalan. And raise your both arms up. Rotate your shoulder out and slightly go for the back bend. Keep pressing your hips down. Keep pressing your hips down and do back bending. Hold there. 1. Straight your elbows. 2. Stretch your arms back. 3. 4. And 5. Again, come back, inhale and exhale. Take your left leg back for mountain. Now bend your knee, chest and chin on the floor. Megdaji, move forward slightly, move down. This is not, you are not making a, see how you have to do it. From mountain pose to just, this is mountain pose. Now from here, knees down and your chest will be beside of your both palms and chin down. So you will feel the stretch on your thoracic. Now from here, stay there and straight your knees. Try to lift your knees up from the floor and keep your legs straight. No, not like this. Like this, look here. Lift your knees up. Toes up. And feel the stretch coming on a thoracic. 1. No, leg down, leg down. Just now walk front from your toes, but don't lift your chest up. 2, stay there. 3, Keep your legs straight, 4 and 5. Now put your knees down again. Inhale, swing up for Bhujangasana. And hold 1, 2, roll your shoulders, open your chest, 3, keep your elbows bent, slightly elbows bent. Don't lift your thighs up. This is cobra pose, not upward facing dog. There is a difference. 4 and 5. Again, go for the mountain pose. Tuck your toes. Very nice. Again, bring your left leg front for Hasta Sanchalana and raise your both arms up and slightly go for the back bend. Hold there, 1. Keep pressing your hips down, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up, exhale, press your palms, take your right leg front for Padastasana. Inhale all the way, come up for Asthuttanasana. And exhale, again make Namaste. Inhale, last round, go back. Exhale, bend forward down. Take your left leg back for Hasta Sanchalana. Left leg back. Yes, again raise your arms up and go for back bend from a thoracic and hold 1. Keep your knees and your heel in one line, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Press your palms on the floor, take your right leg back for mountain pose. Bend your knee, chest and chin on the floor. Now try to just straight your knees and come on your toes. Lift your hips up as much as you can. 1, hold there. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now again bend your knee and touch your knee on the floor. Inhale, swing yourself up for Bhujangasana. In Bhujangasana, roll your shoulder, open your heart and look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, touch your toes, go back into mountain pose. Now bring your right leg again front, go for the Hasta Sanchalan and then back bend. Hold there, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your left leg front for Padastasana. Grab your both ankle and properly stretch down and hold there for 5 counts. 1, try to touch your belly on your thighs. 2, chest on your knees and chin or your forehead on your shin bone. 4 and 5. Inhale all the way, come up for Asthuttanasana and exhale, Pranam. Now release your hand. Do Kati Chakrasana. Now we go for sun salutation of Ashtanga. Take a inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva Vrikshasana. So exhale, bend forward down for Uttanasana. Shreni, inhale, look up, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, deep inhale, deep exhale. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale all the way, come up. Exhale. Second round again, Ekam, inhale. Do exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Chaturanga, Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Again, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Nigdha ji, now we are doing Ashtanga sun salutation. To follow it. Yeah. Third round of Ashtanga sun salutation. Ekam, inhale, again, raise your both arms up. Do exhale, go fully forward down. Tridi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Again, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Between your both palms. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Sun salutation be Ekam, inhale, raise your both arms up over your head and bend your both knees. Come for the Utkatasana, chair pose. Do exhale, bend forward down. Tridi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior 8. Now, place your left palm on your left thigh and right arm over your head. Again, go for the back bend. 1. Place your left palm on your left thigh, right arm over your head. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, come for the warrior 8. Now place your right palm on your left thigh and left arm over your head. Right palm on your left thigh and right arm over your head. 1. No. Anuradha ji, right palm on your left thigh. The right palm है उसे left thigh पे रखिए and left arm over your head. 3, 4, and 5. Again, come back, inhale and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your left leg front between your both palms for warrior 8. Now place your right palm on your right thigh and left arm over your head. Again, go for the back bend. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale again. Come front into warrior 8 and then place your left palm on your right thigh. Sorry, left palm, yeah. Look, now you have to place your left palm on your right thigh and then right arm over your head. Again, go for the back bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now come for the plank pose. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Second round again, come for the plank. Inhale, exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Third round again, come for the plank pose. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Fourth round again, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale and exhale. Fifth and last round, again come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Look at your navel point. Now just lay down from front on your mat. Stretch your arms front. Lay down on your front. Lay down on your belly. Stretch your arms front and leg back. Inhale, stretch your arms as much as possible. From your hands, you have to go front, and from your legs, you have to go back. Exhale, release. Again, inhale, stretch. Don't lift for now. Place your, just stretch. You have to stretch your body up and back, front and back, like someone is pulling you. Exhale again, release, relax your muscles, and inhale again, stretch yourself. Move front from your fingertips and back. 1, hold there. 2, you have to just pull your body. 3, and exhale, relax. Now we will lift our hands up. Inhale, lift your hands up. Only your hands up and your chest up as much as possible. Use the core strength, your lower back strength. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. Second round. Again, inhale, lift your hands up. And again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release down your hands. Third round. Again, inhale, lift yourself up. Hold for 5 counts more. 1. Same way. 2. Hands up. 3. Lift. 4. And 5. Drop your palms down. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now you have to lift your legs only. Again, inhale, lift your legs up. Try to stretch your legs up. 1, hold there. Use your core strength. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your legs down. Second round, inhale again, legs up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, drop the leg down. Third and last round, inhale again, lift your leg up. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, drop the leg down, deep inhale and deep exhale, relax yourself. Now you have to do reverse boat pose. You have to lift your hands and legs together. Okay, inhale, lift your hands and your legs together up for the reverse boat pose and hold 1. Use your strength, core strength, lower back strength. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop down. Second round again, lift. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again drop down. Inhale and exhale. Third and last round again, inhale, lift. Hold there for 10 counts. 10, 9, come on your belly, lift your legs, hands. 7, 6, 5, hands more up, legs up. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, drop down, deep inhale, deep exhale. Now keep your both palms beside of your both chest. Inhale, lift yourself up for Bhujangasana. Keep your elbows slightly bent, don't straight your elbows. Then if you will straight your elbows, then all the stress will go on your lower back, and that is not good. So keep your elbows bent and feel the pressure on your thoracic. 2, stay there. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Inhale again, lift up. Again, hold 1. Keep elbows bent. 2, feet together. 3, 4. Don't lift your waist. And 5. Exhale again down. Inhale again, lift yourself up. Last round. And hold 1, 2. Roll your shoulder, open your chest. 3, 4. Now bend your head towards the right side and look at your left feet. In Bhujangasana, bend your head towards the right side and look your feet, left feet. Inhale again, come front and change your side. Bend your head towards the left side. Inhale again, front, change the direction, right side. Twist from your thoracic as much as you can. Inhale again, front. Exhale, change your side. Inhale, front, and hold there 5 counts. 1, go back deep into the posture. 2, 3, move back in Bhujangasana. 1. Now bend your one leg, right leg. Now bend your right leg towards your head. Straight your leg again, right leg, and bend your left leg now. Change your leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now bend your both feet together. Try to push yourself with your shoulder back as much as you can. Try to touch your head on your feet. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale down. Straight your leg. Put yourself down. Come for the child pose. Shashankasana from here. Press your palms. Come for the child pose. Your both big toes should be together, but your knees should be open. Now stretch your palms front, make finger cup and press your spine down to counter pose properly. Relax here for 15 seconds. Again, lay down from front. Bend your both legs from the knee. Grab your both ankles with your hand for Dhanurasana, bow pose. Inhale, lift yourself up, lift your legs up, lift your thighs up, and look up and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down, do not lose your leg. Grab your ankle, do not lose it. Second round again, lift your chest up and leg up. Try to lift your thighs up from the floor. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. Third round again, inhale, lift your chest up. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. Release your leg, release your hand. Straight your leg. Relax there. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now turn yourself, come on your back. Lay down on your back now. Bend your both knees, grab your both ankle. Like this, put your feet down on the mat. And inhale, lift your hips up for bridge pose. Exhale, hips down. Hips down. Inhale again, lift your hips up. Like this, exhale, hips down. Inhale again, lift yourself up. Exhale down. Now keep your both palms beside of your both ears. And inhale, lift yourself up for Chakrasana. Wheel pose. And hold there for first round. 1, keep pressing your thoracic out. 2, press your legs and push your thoracic out. 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back down. Put your head down. Nigda ji, now you have to do wheel pose. Keep your palms like this, beside of your both ears. Like your wrist out, your fingers in. Second round again, inhale, you lift your hips up. For wheel pose, Chakrasana. 1, hold there. 2, straight your elbow, try to straight your elbow. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again down. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Third and last round again, inhale, lift yourself up. First you have to do 5 push-ups. Touch your head on the mat and then again lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold for 5 seconds in wheel pose. 1, deep inhale, deep exhale. Try to walk with your palms towards your feet, ankle. 3, as much as close you can go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop yourself down. Stretch your legs front. Relax there. Bend your both knees, hug your knees. Try to roll. Inhale, exhale, touch your nose on your knees and then roll yourself. Make a ball of your body. Roll front and back. Side rolling. Side rolling. Grab your both big toe and do happy baby posture. Roll into happy baby, make the G, happy baby. Bend your knee. Try to touch your knees on the floor. Yeah. Now roll side to side. Now drop your both feet on the mat. Keep your knees bent. Now drop your both knee to the left side. Look right side. Inhale again, come. Exhale, change your side. Inhale again, front. Exhale, change. Inhale again, front. Exhale, change your side. Now just straight your legs and sit in Dandasana.
Inhale, raise your both arms up. Now we'll do counter pose. Exhale, bend forward down. You can grab your feet, or if you cannot reach, you can grab your big toe. Inhale, lengthen your spine, look front. Look front. Anuradha ji, look here. Lengthen your spine. From your lower back, push it inside, and from your chest, open and look up towards the ceiling. Keep your spine straight. To counter pose properly, so we will not feel pain whole day. Exhale, bend your both elbows. Now go for the Paschimottanasana, fully forward down. Fully forward down. Pull your toes in, feel the stretch. Hold there, do it properly for a few seconds. Now bend your knees slightly. Slightly bend your knees. And just inhale again, look up. And exhale, put your head down, but don't make a curve on your spine. Just flat your spine on your belly. On your thighs, sorry. Inhale again, straight your both toes. Exhale, keep your both palms beside of your hip. And inhale, lift yourself up for Purvottanasana. Look back. Now slowly drop your hips down and lay down on your back for Shavasana for a few seconds. Keep your both palms facing towards the ceiling. Slightly chin in. Do not make any stress in your muscles right now. Just relax each and every part of your body. Try to take your all focus wherever you are feeling pain right now. Just turn yourself to the left side. Now press with your palm and sit in any comfortable position you want. Deep inhale, exhale. Relax yourself. Now we'll chant one time Om followed by 3 Shanti inside our mind. Just take a deep inhale. Turn your both palms together in front of heart center. Rub your both palms. Apply in your face, apply in your eyes, apply in your whole body. And gently bow down your head towards God and thanks God for giving us strength for today's class. While blinking, just open your eyes. Namaste, everyone. If you have any question, you can ask.
Namaste.
Thank you for today's class.
Sorry, Radha ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for today's class, sir.
Yeah,
Welcome.
me too. Thank you very much. It was great.
Welcome. Okay, so see you guys tomorrow if you have no question.
Yeah. Thank you.
Take care. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, sir.